It steps into the light. Look at those daggers. Wave the flame. Force it to respect the fire. It's testing my resolve, digging claws into the mud. Blind reach for the wooden spear. Oh, slowly. It's lunging. Brace. Drive the spear forward. The torch is down. We lost half our vision.
We're not alone.
Hold the line. Keep it off your throat. Smother it with the burning log. Burn it back. It broke off. It's retreating into the dark. Claw marks. Deep, but not fatal. Apply pressure. Feed the embers. Don't let the barrier die out. One tiny ember of humanity in a world of prehistoric giant killers. Exhaustion is pulling me under. Just stay awake. Dawn breaks. The fire dies, but I survived.